Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's video we are going to discuss some of the top small garden design ideas that you can use to transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and functional garden. Container garden. The first idea that comes to mind when designing a small garden is container gardening. It's a great way to grow plants and a limited space. You can use pots, buckets, or any other best part about container gardening as that you can move your plants around whenever you need to. And it's also a great solution if you don't have a lot of soil to work with. Vertical garden. Another great idea for a small garden is vertical gardening. It's an innovative way to grow plants upward instead of outward. You can use walls, trellises, or even hanging baskets to create a stunning vertical garden. Not only does it save space, but it also creates a beautiful visual impact. Raised garden beds. Raised garden beds are another excellent option for small gardens. They are easy to make and maintain, and they are a great way to grow vegetables, flowers, or herbs in a limited space. You can use wood, bricks, or even stones to create a raised bed that suits your style. Miniature garden. If you are looking for something unique and fun, a miniature garden might be just what you need. It's tiny garden that you can create in a small space using miniature plants, furniture, and accessories. You can use a container or a small corner of your garden to create your own little world. Now we are discussing the idea Zen garden. A Zen garden is a beautiful and calming addition to any small garden. It's a low maintenance garden that consists of sand, rocks, and carefully placed stones. You can also add a few plants such as moss or bonsai trees to create a more natural look. Herb spiral. An herb spiral is a great way to grow a variety of herbs in a small space. A spiral shaped garden bed that use the vertical space to maximize planting. You can use stones, bricks, or other materials to create the spiral shape and plant herbs according to their sun and water requirements. Now we are discussing a very great idea fairy garden. A fairy garden is a whimsical and enchanting addition to any small garden. It's a tiny garden that's designed to attract fairies and other magical creatures. You can create a fairy garden using miniature plants, fairy houses, and other accessories. Fruit trees. If you have a small garden but still want to grow fruit, consider planting dwarf fruit trees. These trees are smaller in size but still produce a good amount of fruit. You can grow apple, pear, peach, or cherry trees in container or small garden beds. Perennial flowers. Perennial flowers are a great choice for small gardens because they come back year after year. You can plant them in garden beds, containers, or even in vertical gardens. Some great options for perennial flowers include lavender, cornflowers, and daylilies. Succulent garden. Succulents are a low maintenance and trendy option for small gardens. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors and can be planted in containers, vertical gardens, or garden beds. You can also create a succulent terrarium for a unique indoor garden. There you have it, folks. Those are some of the top small garden design ideas that you can use to create a beautiful and functional outdoor space. Whether you choose container gardening, vertical gardening, raised gardening beds, a miniature garden, or a zen garden, I am sure you will enjoy the process of creating your own little oasis. Let me know in the comments which idea you liked the most and why. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.